One of the biggest concerns that people have when they come to see us is spouse support and child support. The concern usually is, how am I going to live? How do I make a determination as to what I'm entitled to with regard to support? It's not uncommon for people to have a misconception about how spouse support and child support is calculated. At our offices, we take the time to express and explain how the support calculation is performed in court. Spouse support is important. Child support is even more important because we need to make sure that their rights are being protected. When people come to see us, what they want is to make sure that they get the amount of money that they are entitled to. What we do at our office is to make sure that that happens. And we do that by making sure that we have the appropriate documentation, such as tax returns and pay stubs, as well as earning histories, to make sure that the court has all its information, the proper tools in which to issue in order for spouse support and child support. It's certainly an important concern as to how they're going to live, is how the children are going to be supported. Make sure that the children have a roof over their heads and have the sustenance that they enjoyed during the course of the marriage. It's equally important that the spouse who receives support receives the support that they're entitled to. And we make sure that that happens. All too often, clients will come in and express concerns that their spouse is either working under the table or perhaps at the last moment decided to be laid off prior to the court issuing an order for support. When that occurs, the court does have the ability to tell the party that they have a history of earning a certain amount of money and will use those figures for the purpose of calculating support. If you have child support or spouse support concerns such that you believe that you're not getting the appropriate level or you're paying too much, you need a skilled attorney to handle these issues. You need to call us today.